Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then I'm Yashi Master. I'd be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So right now, it's just 2 days before the Diwali, and Diwali का बहुत सारा काम बाकी है. This is gonna be a vlog where I hustle all day, and you are gonna be my support system. You are going to be with me whole day, so I don't feel alone and tired, and you can just help me. And अगर मैं बात करूँ तो कल we cleaned my wardrobe and I was so tired कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाई फिर. And then we did some घर की सफाई, but the main thing is today we have to go for Diwali shopping. I have to get my hair done. I'm trying a new look because I have to go for the shoot of series. Spoiler. That's gonna come. आपको सब पता चल जाएगा, but time लगेगा थोड़ा. Wait, what's going up? There's a big huge project coming on your way on my channel, so I'm excited. So वो शूट का भी थोड़ा बहुत देखना है and hustle all day. We have so much things. We have to go for shopping. We have to go for my hair. We have to do दिवाली का सब cleaning थोड़ा बहुत. So yeah. So first opportunity आज जो सुबह उठ के मुझे मिली is to cook. Now I cook things, but I don't cook like that much things. Wait, let me set my camera. Let's have a chit chat. मैं आपको कितने times I haven't met you all. हाँ. So first in the morning, the thing is we are going to cook. I am on my shorts and a t-shirt. So we are going to cook today. मुझे आता है cook करना. I can cook सब्जी एक दो. I can cook पुलाव. I can cook खिचड़ी. I can cook. मैं रोटी का आटा बना सकती हूँ. I can't do the rotis because मेरी square shape में बनती है, not in round. So yeah, that's one of the thing. Then I can cook. I can cook Maggie. हाँ, I can cook Maggie. I can cook pasta. Junk food I can cook everything. Homemade food में मुझे इतना आता है सब, rice and all, and एक दो सब्जियाँ. But so we are going to cook the pulav today because yeah, we are going to do that. But let's go.
Later.
So I'm ready, and now we are going to go out because I'm so much late. Mom is calling me like, where are you? So yeah, we're gonna rush it. I will vlog if I can there. Not I will meet you after my appointment. Are done. Curls तो almost खुल गए because I was coming and it was so much windy, but I'm in love with it. जब when I was cutting, I was like nervous कि बहुत short ना हो जाए because we need new look for the shoot, but we don't want short hair for the shoot. So yeah, So yeah, we're gonna go quickly and I'm gonna eat the food. I'm gonna eat my lunch and then we'll go for Diwali shopping. So we have to do ASAP because sham ko bhi I need to go for a birthday party and all like of my cousin. So we have so much things to do. Let's go. So it's taste test time. Mama is with my rice and her love Anupama.
Wow, I can't believe that you make it. This is so tasty and so delicious.
Thank you, thank you.
3 hours later.
Our calls are almost open. Anyways, so right now we are going not to the big showrooms and everything we used to do because you know, काफी लोग की 2 years they haven't celebrated the Diwali. So we are trying to support small businesses and locals as much as we can. तो पहले हम लोग locals के पास we are trying if we get somewhere then for my size and like for good quality then we would go. Else we would go to then shops and then at last the showrooms because again all should get the profit and all should be able to celebrate their Diwali. So yeah.
Down in the place to be, forget your cares and more, most definitely.
Hi, so I'm back. I'm इतना much tired कि पूछो मत. एक तो यहाँ पे दिवाली के टाइम पे टेलर्स एंड इतना प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. Then we went to the shopping for my sister जिसकी आज बर्थडे है तो आप शायद मेरे साथ आओगे तो like we are hustling so you are gonna come with me obviously. तो उसकी बर्थडे है तो उसकी गिफ्ट्स लेंगे तो उसमें आई गॉट क्रेजी लाइक सीइंग सो मेनी क्यूट स्टफ्स. वो मेरे टाइम पे नहीं थी कोई भी जब मैं छोटी थी. ये अभी अभी सब चाइना की थिंग्स एंड ऑल सो दे वर लाइक गुड इनफ. देन हमने वहां से शॉपिंग की फिर हम दिवाली का ड्रेस लेने गए. तो आई टोल्ड यू जैसे कि वी आर बाइंग दिस ईयर फ्रॉम लोकल्स एंड द शॉप्स राइट नॉट फ्रॉम द बिग शोरूम्स. वी डिडंट टुक अ चांस टू गेट अ दिवाली ड्रेस.
3 hours later.
It's 10 o'clock almost and we are in the big bazaar. So after like coming from my sister's house we are here for like 30 minutes because mom का थोड़ा बहुत white t-shirt लेना था for a trip. We are in the big bazaar for some trip shopping and यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. Only mom, dad and me are there and धीरे धीरे सब lights बंद हो रही है. Can you see that? ब्रो आई एम फ्रीकिंग आउट. चालू है मैं मॉम और डैडी है. यहाँ पर अनाउंसमेंट हो चुका है कि जो भी लोग हैं प्लीज नीचे आके बिलिंग करवा दे. बट मॉम इज इन द ट्रायल रूम, शी इज ट्राइंग आउट. आई एम हियर. स्टोर बंद हो चुका है एंड हियर आई एम इन द किड्स सेक्शन. आई एम डूइंग टाइम पास विद ऑल द शूज. दिख रहे कोई नहीं है बिग बाजार में एंड मुझे इतना ऐसा थोड़ा डर है कि we don't stuck here, we can go out. नहीं तो पूरी रात इधर ही सोना पड़े. So I'm freaking out. I'm trying to go down. I'm not getting where to go down from.
Down in the place to be, forget your cares and more, most definitely.
Later.
Hi guys. So we shopped so much last night and मैंने कल एंडिंग नहीं किया था because it was too late. Now today I didn't vlog anything in the morning because I was at my school for elementary exam which had to be taken 3 years back, but the dates keep changing, so finally they took offline, and where you have to go to any college or school to just give it. And luckily the center was my school only, but I was there for more than 8 hours, and like we had an elementary exam, so there was so many sectors and everything, and oh my god, I'm so tired. My legs are paining so much because the day I went to the birthday party, the night my leg got twisted, so my thighs and everything are like so I'm like so much tired right. So let's do a haul finally after 2 days of that old clip which was of my elementary exam. I'm again in my night suit and my shorts and the hair. So first thing I want to tell that the haul is so huge and half because some things I've already stuffed in my traveling bag and cupboard जो I can't find right now. So वो सब you see in my travel diaries का shoot, and also you can see on my Diwali reels जो आएगा उसमें देख लेना. First thing we got were for this tea light candles for 99 rupees. They are pack of 30. We got this. Then we got so many shoes. This is the first box of shoes, and this have my Jordans. I got this in pretty color, which are all are pastels, so I got my hands over this. Then we got this nude heels. These are pointed heels, 4-inch. These shoes for mama. I didn't wanted these ones because I wanted Jordans, so I got Jordans and she got this shoes for herself. Then if you ask me about my Diwali dress, then that I am not gonna show you. That we will be posting a GRWM, which is get ready for with me for Diwali ka reel, and reel because I'm not shooting the vlog for that. Usme you can see, and I will upload 2 to 3 extra shots, so you can see this that has just came from this alteration. It's a huge cute set of Sarara and a crop top, but how it's gonna be you can see that in the reel. Then we got this hands on our kaftans. This is a pretty pink and light pink color ka kaftan. With that we have another one which is are in the shades of blue, so maybe me and mom gonna twin on our vacation. And the other one, last kaftan, the thing I have currently right now is this plaid grip jeans, which is of mama because I bought those bell bottoms and they have currently in my cupboard, and my cupboard is a mess right now due to shoots and all, so I can't show you the things. Other things what we got are, we got an appointment for our nails done, so before we go for traveling, me and mom gonna get my nails done, and that's gonna be fun. So yeah, this is the haul currently which I have with me. The other stuffs you will see later in any of the vlogs, and I will mention that these were the things that I bought from Diwali vlogs, so people can directly come to here and watch this. Yeah. So yeah guys, this was it. I hope you enjoyed this pretty fun vlog of my lifestyle which I hustle all day long. So I am confused that should I continue these hustle vlogs because I enjoyed the most, and I think you will also enjoy the vlogs. So let me know in comments that you have enjoyed or not, and if you want me to continue more types of hustle vlogs. And let's give shout out. I'm giving shout out after so many months. So again we have 2 people with me whom I would give the shout out. So yeah. So this time shout out goes to Krishna Sukhadia and Sheena. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want to shout out in my next video, then what you have to do is so simple. You have to just subscribe to my channel and comment down in the comment box. I got to know that half of you haven't subscribed. What are you doing? Like, you're watching my videos, then please subscribe. Let's make our Yashi fam more big, and I will be seeing you in my next vlog. Until we meet, goodbye.